Hello, hi. My name is Latifa Riddick Chapman. I am currently an assistant teacher at a program called G-Card. I absolutely love the program that I work for. I am a mother of two. I have a son and a daughter. My son is 10 and my daughter is 6. I've been married for about 13 years. We currently live in Burton, Michigan. It's a small town. I'm excited about this course particularly because after I finish, I'll have a higher paying job waiting for me. I have about 3 courses left of my bachelor's. I've been a student of Ashford for about a year and a half now, so I'll be excited when all of this is over for sure. One thing about this class that interests me is the self-checks. I'm very interested in that because I'm very big on mindfulness. I find taking care of yourself, you have to do that. You have to take care of yourself to be able to take care of your classroom, your family members, the things around you. It's very important. So I'm looking forward to seeing what that is about. Again, my name is Latifa Riddick Chapman. Nice to meet you guys and look forward to learning with you the next 5 weeks.